We're back at Cotton Way, so this is the downstairs bathroom that's currently being painted. Everything's more or less been painted, so the builder's just waiting for the new kitchen units. The kitchen cupboards, that's going to be painted, and I think that should be okay for this one. We are going to change all these light switches and sockets to chrome, to brushed chrome. The flooring has been lifted, so the carpet fitter, the landlord, has rearranged for the carpet fitters to come on Wednesday. The builder will be here to let them in. So all this has been lifted, and this is the rubbish. But that's not too bad, not enough. Some rubbish. So just going to make sure that this door gets repainted. In there has been repainted, so just the door left. That's the room. That's the boiler cupboard. So the taps has just been chosen. Once that is picked up tomorrow, then this back room will be reassembled. This is the final bedroom. Again, it's all been repainted. It's all been repainted. That'll be sealed off as well. That looks new. Now this is going to be painted as well, because now the colours are different. So we're going to paint that as well and match everything. And I think that's it. So Wednesday, carpets will go down. Everything will be removed before that. Once the carpet comes down, I'll pop down on probably the Thursday, assuming the carpet's down on Wednesday. Hopefully all the rubbish would have been removed and they don't leave anything behind. I'll take preliminary marketing pictures and videos to get the ads up, start the viewings while the snagging is being done, and I'll come back and take final marketing pictures and videos, just so we've got it for the future. When the tenant gives notice, at least then we can come back, we can start the marketing process and have proper pictures. Alright, see you.